Welcome to Attendum, an all-in-one platform designed to meet all attendance monitoring needs, be it for students, staff, visitors, conferences, events, and more. In this video, we're going to focus on how students can register attendance using Attendum. Attendum's registration operates through three methods: by cards, by phones, and by proximity. The method you'll use to register your attendance is determined by the system installed in your institution. For the by cards method, you simply tap your ID card onto the registration device to mark your attendance. For the by phones method, you'll need to install the Attendum app on your mobile phone. After signing up, you can register your attendance by opening the app and tapping the registration button. Following this, tap your mobile phone onto the registration device. For more details, please watch the dedicated video on this topic. The by proximity method is particularly user-friendly as it doesn't require any action at the time of entrance. All you need to do is install the Attendum app, sign up, and enable Bluetooth on your mobile phones. Your attendance is then recorded automatically upon entering the timetabled room. For some mobile devices, you may also need to enable your location services. The Attendum app will provide guidance on what is required. For more details, please watch the dedicated video on this topic. You can monitor your attendance and view your past and future scheduled timetable through the Attendum app. We also have a dedicated video on how to make the most of the app's features. Should you have any questions or require further information, please don't hesitate to contact us via our Contact Us form. Thank you for listening and finding out about Attendum.